I got into Jaguars at the age of 4. My dad bought an E-Type, a brand new E-Type V12 back in 1973. And even to this day, well, knowing the E-Type was the most beautiful car ever made, and I was just obsessed as a kid, thought this was the best car on the planet. Through into my late teens and 20s when I started to drive, all I could think about was owning an E-Type. If I was sitting in that cockpit, looking down that nice long bonnet, looking over the power bulge and the front wings, that to me was the best view you can ever get. People want the cars to have a little cool twist. They want to be able to drive them, they want them to operate, they want them to go well. I mean, things have moved on, so I try and do stuff as if Jaguar had that technology back in 1960s. We do fuel injection, electronic, fully programmable, but when you look at it, it looks like weathers. The red car that we have, that's my car. I've based it on a 60s race car. If in 1963 you went and bought an E-Type and you wanted to go racing, I've done the things that Jaguar would have recommended. I spent 18 years of my career in the main dealer business, mostly German, Volkswagen, Audi, BMW, but all that time I had E-Types. And I love German cars, they're well engineered, but from a classic point of view, you cannot beat the line. Put someone inside one and they look down that long bonnet and they're in love. When you drive down the road in an E-Type, the young kids stop, stare and point and wait. So to me, that tells me that car has got history and it's got a future. So I found myself coming to California buying good, genuine rust-free cars and slowly fell in love with the place and thought this is the ideal place for driving E-Types around the rolling hills of Mulholland Drive and down along PCH. So to me it's the best car in the best place to be driving that car. That's it for today, guys. Thanks for riding along with us on our little Southern California E-Type road trip. If you want to see more of what we do, visit us at westcoastetype.com. See you soon. Cheers.